Yo, by the end of today's video, Panda is gonna be looking spicy, I hope. Boom. So last week I messed up. I was way too heavy-handed with my Fender in it. There were runs everywhere. So I reached out to my boy Kev and I was like, bro, how can I fix this? He was like, what you gotta do is get some sandpaper, sand it down smooth, hit the areas with the runs really hard. You get me? So it's all nice and smooth. And then go back and grab some more paint and paint over it in light layers. Do a light coat real quick, then wait for a hot second, then do a medium coat, wait for a hot second, then do another medium coat, and then let it dry, and then hopefully dry, I don't say dry, and then let it dry, and then hopefully it should be looking a lot better than it was. And his advice, I took that personally, bro, because he helped me out so much. He didn't say nothing bad to me. He was like, bro, don't even stress, we all make mistakes. This is a teachable moment for you, learn from it. So if I ever do my body kit again, I'ma know, you get me? Thanks, brah. Boom. So that's all done, bro. And you know what, yeah? From last week, this actually isn't looking too bad, you know. Obviously, if you get real close, you'll still see the runs and whatnot from last week. But, like, it makes me think, it's like, bro, if I did this properly the first time, it would have looked a hell of a lot better than now. But I'm happy to put this on my drift car, you get me? In motion, it will look good, and that's the most important part, because this car drives, you get me? So let's quickly take a look at the Kazama stuff now, and we'll smash that one out as well. Boom. So the kit I got on my car is the Kazama Auto Pro Mode JZX100 Chaser body kit. It's the front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts which aren't here yet, and a front grille. So everything looks sick, it looks awesome. So what we're gonna do with this, quickly sand it down so that I can take the clear coat. I know it's not the best, I should probably paint it white first, but I just wanna drive, you get me? And this kit just needs to look good in motion, so I'm trying to clear coat it just to protect it from the elements for when it sits at Ebisu. Gonna hit it with some clear coat, and probably hit it with another piece of clear coat on top. Jeez. Just taking a little pineapple break, bruv. It's good. Pain's hard, man. Hurts my finger from holding on the gun. Oh yeah. Boom. So man's done the painting, the clear coating. I finished. Oh my god, yes. I don't ever want to paint stuff again, but I'm happy I did it this one time, innit? So let me show you what I did real quick, innit? So, with the front fenders, cleaned them up, scuffed them down, painted them black again, and hit them with that clear coat. Now it's gonna let it dry out in the sun for a bit. It's gonna be good. Then with the front little mouth grill, I hit that with some clear coat. 3 layers of clear coat should be looking real nice. And then if we move on to the front bumper and rear bumper, hit that with 3 layers of clear coat as well. Sanded them back real quick, and I hit it with 3 layers of clear coat. So it should be good. Like I did the front fenders first, and they didn't turn out the best, but that's fine because they were 15,000 yen from Up Garage. The kit is a Kazama Auto one, so I took my time with that. But yeah, man, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Just gonna take it down and see if I can start to put it onto the car and see what it looks like. So just fitting up the ting, Kazi. Just fitting up the ting real quick. Bruv, that is starting to look like something really cool, you get me? So, we've done the front fender, we've put it on there, you know what I'm saying? It looks pretty nice and it looks pretty good. I gotta take them off again, I have to cut here. It goes in too far, so I gotta cut it around there to make it work better. I've attached the grille, which you can see right there. It looks pretty cool, but it's not on properly, you get me? Same from the other side too. I gotta cut that front fender too as well. And the front bumper, I'll show you how much I gotta cut off this off. It's so annoying. So cause this front bumper is for a drift car, like a pro drift car, which has the AC removed, and then you can push the intercooler all the way back and mount it upside down or whatever. This part sticks out heaps onto the inside so that loads of air can get pushed into it. This is as far back as it can go right now. It can't go any further back because the pipes are in the way and the whole intercooler is in the way. So I'm gonna have to cut the whole thing, bro. Can you imagine, fam? Can you imagine having to cut that much? It is, bruv, it's wild, isn't it? It's so crazy, like. Then just gonna take off the rear bumper right here, but the only annoying part is that I'm not sure how the new rear bumper is gonna fit on, because I don't think it's gonna be a direct fit. So it's a bit mushy back here. This has actually been welded again. The previous owner had some damage. And this should just slide off. Right. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. There was a rock in there, was there? Oh my goodness. Dun, 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 dun. We did something, and then we got to put the rear bumper on. Let's see if I can quickly put it there and see what it looks like. I got my babes on the other side holding it. Hello. That actually looks like a street drift car. That looks so sick. Oh my days, my exhaust doesn't actually come out the back. But yeah, that looks so banging, bruv. Oh my days, imagine with the side skirt there and everything. Yo, that is gonna be looking so banging, fam. Banging, bruv. Banging, bruv. Oh my days. Look at that. That is looking gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright, so let's just take it off and fix it. Jono's car's real noisy. Let's take a quick look at it though. He got this kind of sick looking S15, bruv. He just got here from New Zealand. Finally let back in. His 15 is looking saucy. Saucy. Alright, so let's look back at my car because we got to change up the plan real quick. We're losing daylight. I don't have time to cut the front bumper and cut the fenders. So what we're gonna do to make my car movable is we're gonna change the rear wheels. Can your boy do this while being strong? Take it off with one arm. Here. Yes, bruv. Yeah. Thank you, CST. Yeah, rear bumper's off and it's there. Can I take it? So this is the reason why I'll be taking it off. Am I gonna be a bad man? Yes, I am. Bang. So let's take a look and see what we're replacing them with. So if you want to know the brand of tire that I use Kenda's 235/40/18. I do a square setup. So I got these in the rear and I got the high grip versions of the Valinos on the front. But here's the wheel. Oh, look at that color, bro. It's like a bluey purple sort of thing. It is so saucy. I love it. I love it. Alright, enough talking, more fitting. Boom. So we lost a lot of light, but here we are. I found a single lamp and I'm standing underneath it so I can tell you guys wagwan. So we fitted up the rear wheels and the new tires onto the car and it is looking so good. So when we come back next week, we gotta take off the front fenders again and cut them, and then we gotta cut the front bumper as well. And then for the rear bumper, we're just gonna put it on and just screw it into the body because this car's had accidents from the previous owner before, so nothing really matches up correctly. So that's what we're gonna do. You get me? It's gonna be good. We're gonna be driving soon. You know what I'm saying, bruv? Maybe next video I might drive a little bit. We'll see. I still got to do an oil change and I'm not in bulk checking that. But yeah, bruv, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all you lot, and man, we'll catch you next time. Cheers. Panda version 2.0, bruv. Hey.